this assessment asks us, if the following reaction is favorable, what can we say about the sign of delta H? Well, if we know that delta G equals delta H minus T delta S, and that delta G must be less than 0 since the reaction is favorable, what we're really asking to do is to make an estimation of delta S and compare that to delta H. Now you'll notice that in this reaction we're going from 2 molecules to 1, so we're going to expect this reaction to have a delta S that is less than 0. We're going to expect, based on entropy, this is an unfavorable reaction. And yet the problem tells us that it's favorable. If it's favorable in terms of delta G, but unfavorable in terms of delta S, it must be favorable based on delta H. So for this, delta H, we expect to be less than 0. And in fact, it needs to be a high enough magnitude of delta H less than 0 to overcome the unfavorable entropy term.